how huge, how big it was. Parang how grand it all was. Parang pagdating namin doon, sa kalsada naka-gown lahat ng tao.
Sa gala.
Kasi parang it's my first time going to Europe. So talagang parang panibagong mundo siya. And ang daming events every day. You get to meet filmmakers from all over the world. And you get to talk to them and learn about their culture. And yun yung parang I'm very grateful for it. Pero parang you can't really prepare yourself for an experience like that. And kasi nalaman namin we're going to Cannes parang less than 2 weeks. And we had to put everything together in less than 2 weeks. And ako personally, I'm so thankful for all my friends who supported me. Yung lahat talaga grabe, hindi ako makapunta dun if wala yung support ng friends with yung mga damit, yung flight, lahat. Kasi it's not, hindi mura pumunta ng Europe, di ba? And we're independent artists. So I'm really, really grateful that this is the team that I went to that place with. I felt so safe with them. And yeah, sila Sir Carlos, si Sir Sean, sila Derek Irvin. They really guided us nung nandun kami to the best of their ability. Pero ano talaga siya, nakakagula, nakaka-shock talaga siya. Yeah.
Ayun, siguro yung feeling ng pagka-overwhelm, siguro dahil yun nga, same din, first time namin lumipad sa ibang bansa and yun pa, Cannes pa agad. So parang kahit na may mga sinet in stone kaming plan, like ako personally, like ito sana yung mga expectation ko, pero like hindi lang siya like sumasag, like sobrang over the top. So parang yung overwhelming feeling na kailangan kong kumalma, hindi siya nangyayari. So parang every time na nandun kami sa red carpet, parang oh my God, di ba yun yung artista sa ganito, ganyan. So parang hindi kami makapagpigil ng mag-fanboy, mag-fangirl sa mga artista. But other than that, it's more of siguro yung pinaka-overwhelming feeling is yung ma-acknowledge ng mga nakakausap namin filmmakers, mga producers na, oh, you're from the Philippines. At iba yung reception nila. Like sobrang na-appreciate nila yung natin, yung work of art natin. So parang dun pa lang sobrang panalo na. And yung mapag-usapan lang yung film yun talaga yung parang shit, di pa nila napapanood pero pinag-uusapan na nila, ganyan. So parang ayun, sobrang nakakataba yun ng puso. And ano yun like out of nowhere kasi like, oh, you're from the Philippines, right? You're from Agapital. Like parang kami, those experiences napaka-surreal nun. Kasi kung dito sa Pilipinas, parang pag independent artist, di ba, usually hindi na pag-uusapan, pero pag doon sa ibang bansa, like, kaya parang hindi din talaga kami makapaniwala na grabe yung appreciation nila. And siguro yun, rather other than the pagka-grand nun, siguro yung parang yung feeling na dahil we're all creatives, tas napunta tayo sa pool na okay, it's a celebration of every part of every country, parang ang surreal. Like, ikaw yung magre-represent ng Philippines at ng Southeast Asia. Parang ang laking bagay na, laking achievement.
Thank you for